Once you step up from budget, you're not paying for more FPS, you're paying for fewer compromises, better day-to-day usability, better expansion comfort, and a board that still feels good after you've added storage and peripherals. And here, you're basically deciding between two priorities. Priority 1 is complete and convenient. This is where having Wi-Fi built in, a clean storage layout, and fewer add-ons matters more than anything else. The board that fits that reality really well is MSI B550M PRO-VDH WIFI. MSI lists two M2 slots on this board, with the primary M2 slot supporting PCIe 4.0/3.0x4, which is exactly what you want for a main NVMe drive. It's also the kind of board you pick when you don't want the build to turn into buy the motherboard, then buy a Wi-Fi card, then buy a Bluetooth dongle. It's a more complete baseline. Now, it's also worth keeping expectations realistic. This isn't a luxury board, and MSI's own spec listing calls out Wi-Fi AC with Bluetooth on this model, so it's about practicality, not cutting-edge wireless. Priority 2 is roomy layout and long-term comfort. If you're building in a normal mid-tower and you want an ATX board that's simply easier to live with, spacing, headers, storage, fewer compromises, the clean ATX option is still MSI B550-A PRO. It's the board you choose when you don't need Wi-Fi and you want the full-size experience. And then there's the I want to stop thinking about it option, MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk. This is the board that makes sense when you plan to keep AM4 going for years and you want a platform you can stick with through upgrades. MSI highlights features like dual LAN options on this model, and it's a common go-to when you want a more robust base. The honest downside is simple. For a Ryzen 5 3600 that's never getting upgraded, this can be more board than you need. Now, if you're into small form factor PCs, the best overall Mini-ITX foundation for a Ryzen 5 3600 build that still feels modern is the Gigabyte B550i AORUS Pro AX. Gigabyte calls out PCIe 4.0 support and strong networking like 2.5 gigabit Ethernet and a Wi-Fi 6 on this board, and that's exactly why it's easier to recommend when you want ITX without feeling stuck. And if you're trying to keep ITX as budget as possible, the ASRock A520M-ITX AC is the cheaper entry point with fewer platform extras. So after comparing the best options the way you actually use a PC, storage expansion, wireless convenience, and fewer add-ons, the overall best choice for the average Ryzen 5 3600 user is the MSI B550M PRO-VDH WIFI.